Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do Chime Cardless ATM Withdrawal. So the first would be to open your banking app or mobile wallet. So the process to access your accounts and conduct by Cardless ATM may differ slightly depending on the bank and type of verification. But since this is Chime, so you want to open your banking app, and once at the ATM, you can initiate your withdrawal if you have an eligible mobile wallet. So now, if the ATM uses NFC, you can tap your phone on the contactless symbol on the ATM. Make sure that your phone also has NFC for that to work. If the ATM uses a QR code, scan the code with your mobile device camera. Some other verification prompts might appear as well, so follow the instructions. Third would be to accept and complete the transaction. Once the ATM has verified your identity, you'll be asked to enter the ATM PIN associated with your debit card. Now you can proceed with your transactions per usual. And that's the withdrawal process. So that was Chime Cardless ATM withdrawal process. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.